tayo sa... Ano pangalan nito?
Dogtown.
Yes. Kaso, ang mga aso ay tulog na. Hi, Nix!
Hi! So we are here at Dogtown. So we're going to visit some dogs here and then we're gonna taste their coffee. Let's
That's... Where's mine, Dayday? Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah! We're having kiwi and yours is what?
Yes.
Hi guys! So, ayan. So, ito, right now, it's dog, very cute na rak na. Mak, very much.
No, ang cute! Hello! Hello, super cute! Oh, sana all, Dayday. Ay, ang cute! Ako dyan. Hello! Ay, gusto ko to pa naman. Ayan, oh. Ang cute! Oh my gosh! Parang may class picture. Ang cute!
Ano mo? Ang cute. Family picture.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Gising. Nap? Yes? Why sad? Don't be sad, okay? It's okay not to be okay. Okay? Why sad, honey? Oh, natatampo siya. Oh my God. You look like your dad talaga. Kuha mo. Very matampuhin. Oh, it's okay, baby. Say hi to your dad. He's so busy, okay? He has a lot of meetings. Okay? Understand? Ko, Jaymay? ¿Entiendes? It's a boy. Okay, it's a boy. Say hi to your dad. Hi, Dad. Hey, Daddy. Okay, kuha makuha mo yung mukha niya, oh. Yung ilong, yung mata. Oh my God. Ganyan-ganyan lang yung daddy. Nicole, gusto mo ng crocodile? Nicole, oh. Ooh.
Answer din.
Ay, kailan birthday mo? June 13?
Ay, 30.
Mag-cancer ka rin?
Birthday ka na.
Ay, magka-cancer pala ka.
Chismisan tayo. Tagaan tayo. Pwede ka na tayo order, no? Ano, shrimp or crab? Ay, ano gusto mo? Ika lang. Hindi, ako yan.
Ay, sure ka.
It's up to you? Okay. It's ano daw? It's up to you. It's up to you. Baka mo.
Ito na nga. Ito na nga ang sagot sa ating nahirapan, guys. So, kain lang kayo dito. Okay, so today, we're gonna eat RP.
We're gonna eat.
We're gonna eat RP.
50% pa.
Okay, 50%.
Pork and raw.
I can eat myself. How is it?
Pork was good.
I like myself.
I like myself so much.
Yummy, alaymak. Saan ba alaymak?
Like ma.
Yes. How's yourself?
Huh? I'm taste.
I'm tasteless. I'm tasteless. Good. Okay. So yeah. It's okay. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes. Yeah. Oh, you speak in English, ah? You're good. Yes, it's about that. Yeah. OMG, guys. Hindi ko lagyan mga ng ilaw. Yeah, oh my God. Yes, we're teachers. Yes, we speak in English.
English program.
Hi. Mika and friends. Sobrang laki ng mangga, guys. The mango is giving.
Parang ay nasinal.
No, beautiful, not beautiful. Yes. Michelle, beautiful. Bye. Tap, tap. So, tap. Oh, ikaw din, Day. Okay. Yes. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, let's now. Saan tayo pupunta, Day? Video. Pagkasyahin natin ang, magkano yan?
Meron tayo dito 100 baht.
Okay, tignan natin kung magkakasya dito sa...
Bibili natin dito sa market.
Ano yung una mong binili?
Ang una natin purchase for 100 is
Wow, very Philippine.
very Philippine.
Wala sa Pilipinas ka na bumili.
That's wala din ako sa Kilakanin.
Okay. So this is only how much?
20. Ano sa 20?
20 baht.
20 baht.
Okay, 20 baht.
Okay. Order. Ano yung orderin mo? Okay, so let's try this. Okay, ano yan? Barbecue. Ano? Sarap?
So far, so good.
Noted well.
So now, we're okay. We're so bobo. Okay, they are. Hindi lang ako. We were young. Hindi ko kasi guys. I don't hurt me. I'm hurting. Gosh. No? Okay. So, ngayon, punta tayo ng 7-Eleven. Okay, which is... Ano yun? Punta tayo ng 7-Eleven. Which is... Which are yata? Ito yung mga famous dito sa 7-Eleven. You have to try, guys, the burgers. Which is... Ano naman siya? Which among. In addition, regardless. Hence, okay, you have to try. Ito, actually, favorite ko yung mga ganito. Ito, favorite ko to. Magdadala ko sa Philippines. Okay, thanks, dear. And this is my friend. Ubusin mo.
Alin yung na-try?
Alin dyan? So, yan. So, dalawa. Ano yan? Okay, trying out. This is a worm. Earthworm. Ano lasa? Ano lasa? Charon. Tikman ko din. Yan ah. Yan ang ano eh. Okay guys.
Ano paano to? Tatalon to sa bibig?
Pero patingin niya. Open mo nga. Ay,
Ano, paano to?
Arby, kaya mo ba?
Try natin.
Tingnan niya. Tignan na natin.
Baka baka tumalon. Pero may buhay siya eh. Baka may hindi.
Asan na?
Baka ba?
Ayan o.
Ay, puti ko tumalon.
Tumalon.
Ayan o, dancing shrimp. Kuya, Hannes. Hannes ah. Okay guys, so tignan natin tong nangingisay. Nangingisay na siya dyan. Lip shrimp. Ay, hindi na siya sumasayaw. Hindi na siya lip. Hindi na siya lip mo. Hindi na siya live. Tignan natin kung merong magdadance. Walang magdadance dance anymore kasi ano na siya. It's already dead. It's already dead on arrival. Dead. It's already dead on the spot na siya, guys. Tignan nyo. Dead on arrival. And then meron pa nare-revive pa. Nare-relive.
Walang nasa city.
Relive. Ito pa oh. Oh my Dai, anong gusto mo?
One chicken wings.
Chicken wings? Dito tayo, guys. Ito yung favorite ko, Day, oh. Ito. Ito. Ayan. Ito yung tatry natin ngayon. Ayan. Bami mo. Bami mo kokta. Sami anda. Hi guys! So today, kakain tayo ng favorite kong mukrop. Okay. Ay ko! Mukrop. Bami. Bami means noodles. Okay. Mu means pork. Say hi to Mika. Salamat. She's so pretty like me, guys.
How about
As you can see. Galit. Yes. That's yung may egg pinky. Ayan. Matitikman na nila yung pinagmamalaki ko. Charot. May kasama. Aha.
Pero naman dito ko nag-start ako. Sobrang lamig.
Oo, konti lang ilagay mo. Konti lang. Kapak lang. Ano masasabi mo, Day?
So good. So far, so good. Yeah, I love the
Okay.
spice and all.
Ano yan, Day? Anong trip niyo?
Masarap sa kape.
Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. Nagustuhan ni Vicky. Okay. How about you, Day? Okay. Let's... Sorry. Sorry. Ito lang ako. Say hi. My favorite recipe. No. Oh my God. I'm so haggard. Oh my God. Ayan, guys, sobrang dami namin nabili. Tignan nyo naman. Because this was the last night of Mika. Oh my, this is Mika. This is, ano ba to? This is Ampon. Yeah, this is Outsider. This one. Yeah, the Outsider. So, ngayon, magkasama na kami ligay-ligay. And we're going to Platinum Ratunam. Ano ginagawa mo dito sa Thailand? Wala lang. Okay, bye. We're so haggard. Kakatapos lang namin magpunta ng Pratunam. And sobrang dami namin na pamili. Tingnan nyo. And, alam nyo ba, first time ko lang ngayon na uuwi ng commute. I mean, sasakay ng bus. So, ngayon lang kumanda yung utak natin. Actually, ngayon lang. First time ko na ako yung nag-lead ng travel. Yung ano, yung gagamitan mo yung maps, like something ganun. Yes, and I'm so proud of myself. Proud. F-R-O-U-D. Proud. Oh my. Bye. We're going to the airport right now, guys. And this is the last.